So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a document from Apple's Pages app to Microsoft Word. So the first thing we want to do is open up Pages. Okay, and I'm just going to hit cancel on that, come up to File, New. And then I already had a recent up here. I'm just going to click on this essay. I'm going to double click it, excuse me. And then that makes this basic formatted document right here. Has information on it that we can use for the conversion process. So what I'm going to do next is come up to File and then go Export to. I'm going to select Word. And I'm just going to leave everything as it is just for this basic example, and then click Next. Then it's going to ask me where I want to save it. So I'm going to change the name and we'll call it Converted to Word. You can name it whatever you want. And I'm going to hit Export. And it's going to take a second. I'm just going to go ahead and click the orange button here to minimize this window. And right on my screen here, Converted to Word. And as you can see, the file format is a .docx, which is a Word document format. So I'm going to double click it, and then it's going to open up in Word. Boom. Now this is just a preview of this. I don't have Word set up on this computer. I just have to re-log in to activate it, so I'm not going to be able to edit it from here. But some things to note: that you want to make sure that your formatting and whatnot will remain the same. I've had issues in the past where formatting was a little different between them, so it didn't quite convert in the exact way that I wanted. So you might still have to finesse the document when it's all said and done. Another example would be Word typically likes to use Calibri as their default font, but if you're using Pages on a Mac, it's probably going to be a different font. So you might, again, just have to do that finessing to get the document in the exact way that you want it to look on a Word document. So typically what I've done would be getting the basic information and whatnot done with something like Pages, and then I can convert it over to Word to get the final layout and the final art and everything plugged in the way that I want.